Hi YouTube, and this is second lesson of CSS, and in this lesson we will going to talk about CSS syntax. And I have told in the introduction video that you should know HTML in order to learn CSS. So now will be looking at the syntax of CSS. Now, as you can see in front of your screen, that this is the basic syntax. I just wanted to show you that how this is working. But what this CSS do, that it enhanced the elements of HTML. So now, as you can see in front of your screen, there's a green box in which I have typed H1, which stands for heading. So this is the box. Now, it's, for example, there are 1 to 6 headings in HTML. So for example, I have write a heading 1 in my website. So I want to change the color of heading 1. So I'm going to use CSS for this. I'm just explaining right now, just making you familiar with the syntax. So just we are looking at the syntax, and then we will write an example. So one more thing, that we will going to write this in the head portion of our web page, and we will be using style tag. So now, for example, this is our heading 1. Now this is the color, and this is the font size. So I want to change the color of heading 1 and the font size. So I have wrote it down. There's a curly braces and color, which I have assigned a blue, and as I have used a semicolon, and now the font size is 12 pixel. So now these are the HTML declaration. Now, as you can see, a red box, a kind of a red box, and these are the two markers which showing us that this portion and this portion is a value, and this color and this font size is the property which I have marked by yellow. Now, as you can see, that the property is color and the font size is the property, and then the color which I have assigned is blue, and size which I have assigned is 12 pixels, so it's the value. Now there is a difference between property and the value. Now I hope that the syntax has been clear. Now let's write the heading 1, so it helps you to understand this more clearly. Now guys, you are familiar with the HTML. You know that this is the heading 1. I have typed the body and the HTML. Now this is the portion where I have saved. So the website can be saved as save as and .html extension. Now let's run this. So as you can see, it's written that this is my first heading. Now let's write this in CSS. So first we have to declare head. Now after declaring head, we have to declare the style tag for CSS, and whatever we are going to write, we have to write this in style, in the style. So heading 1, color blue, and font size 12 pixels, and text align. We will be going to discuss these all tags in our later videos. Now this is just to make you understand. Now we will be saving this by pressing Ctrl S. So guys, after saving this, let's run this and let's see what happens. So as you can see, this is my first heading. What we have done over here, that we have assigned in our previous, as you can see, it was simple. This is my first heading. Now what we did in this thing, that we have assigned color blue, font size 12 pixels, and we have said that text should be in the center. Now we can also change this and make it more larger if you want. So this is simple, and this video was just a syntax just to make you understand, I mean familiar with the syntax, that how CSS working. So wait for the later videos and like this channel, and stay tuned for the series, and I will try to make sure that you will understand everything and try to give you every concept. And one more thing, that if you don't understand anything, just don't hesitate, just comment it down below and I will try to explain you each and everything. So thanks for watching this video and stay classy.